At least once in your life, you will interact with the court system. You might be getting married, or maybe you got a traffic ticket for speeding on the highway. Maybe you're having a rental dispute with your landlord. These could all mean going to court. Oh, and there's jury duty, of course. Hawaii's state court system can be broken up into 3 tiers: the Hawaii Supreme Court, the Intermediate Court of Appeals, and the lower courts. These courts deal with upholding state laws. For cases dealing with federal laws, there is a separate federal court system. The Hawaii Supreme Court and the Intermediate Court of Appeals are appellate courts. That means that if any party is dissatisfied with a decision from the lower courts, they can appeal to a higher court to review their case. Because Hawaii is made up of different islands, the lower courts are divided into judicial districts known as circuits. If you live on Oahu, you are in the First Circuit. Second Circuit covers Maui, Molokai, Lanai, Kaho'olawe, and Molokini. The Big Island was once split into 2 different circuits, Third and Fourth, but now it's just one, the Third Circuit. And the Fifth Circuit, which numerically is the number 4, but is still called the Fifth Circuit, covers Kauai and Niihau. Different courts are set up to handle different types of cases, and some specialty courts are only available in certain circuits. Some of the courts are pretty self-explanatory, like Land Court, that deals with land and land rights. Tax Appeal Court deals with, of course, tax, and also property, excise, liquor, and tobacco. An Environmental Court, which deals with, well, environmental issues involving water, forests, streams, beaches, air, mountains, and the life inhabiting them. Hawaii's judiciary has even set up special courts that help deal with more specific issues, such as Veterans Court, a mental health court, and others. As an everyday citizen, you're most likely to deal with the following 3 courts: Family Court, District Court, and Circuit Court. Family Court deals with issues like divorce, parentage, custody, adoption, and guardianship. It also deals with matters like juvenile delinquency and status offenses. District courts handle things like traffic infractions, landlord-tenant disputes, and small claims under $5,000. They also deal with minor criminal offenses that are punishable by a fine or less than a year of imprisonment. Things get a little more serious when you move on to the circuit courts. These courts have jurisdiction over criminal felony cases, civil cases where the contested amount exceeds $40,000, as well as probate issues. If you are summoned for jury duty, circuit court is where you're going. Want to find out more? Check out these links.